Hello friends, this is Professor Nikhil Panchal. I'm sure you all must have given your examination to your best, and I'm sure you are going to clear the examination. This is specifically for CA Foundation students, those who have appeared this examination for November 19 batch. Hereby I am declaring CA Inter batch for November 20. CA Inter November 20 batch examination. We are starting new batch, fresh batch on 5th of December 2019 for those students who have appeared CA Foundation examinations in this attempt. The benefit of this batch would be that we are starting little early. This is called as early bird batch. You might have seen earlier video also like this. So in this batch we are starting little early so that we can complete your portion little early, so that you have good time for your self study before your final examination. This batch will be starting from 5th of December and the completion date would be 15th of July 2020. It will be a smaller batch of around 25 students. All the professors are extremely experienced chartered accountants who are teaching since years at our place. Even I will be teaching the core topics like financial management, financial accounting, cost accounting. You can ask any doubts whichever you have while studying. Even your parents can meet me. The proprietor will always be available at the classes for any of the doubts. Subject specific professors are there, that is very much required, so that expertise of the professors you can get the benefit. Special discount we will be offering to some financially challenged students. If at all anybody is like that, those parents will have to meet me. We will be having doubt sessions so that students, if at all any doubt, they can ask respective professor. We'll be having regular test series. So all these benefits you can take, and like that we will be running the batch. Main intention of running smaller batch is personal attention. Teacher and student should know each other, and student can ask any question without any hesitation to the professor. So I wish that maximum of you take the benefit. We have only 25 students admission possible. So once 25 students will be registered, the batch will get closed. I am going to offer some demo lectures, free demo lectures. So you can attend initial 1 week as demo lectures. You can inform your friends also. Thereafter you will have to decide if you want to take admission or not. At this point of time, old fees are being applicable. So admission would be we are going to take at old admission. But thereafter the fees might revise. So earlier the better, right? Wish you all the best. Wish you a very happy and knowledgeable learning. Thank you.